Welcome, everyone. I am Dan Mason. 6 Strong Pieces of Evidence for Intelligent Design is part 7 of an 8-part series on intelligent design. Earlier, Darwinism necessitates structures to maintain functionality while evolving incrementally. Conversely, irreducibly complex structures can't develop in stages as they aren't functional without every component. There are a lot of moving pieces, and for them all to work, it would need a lot of mutations, which is very unlikely to happen by accident. Bacterial flagellums are well-known instances of irreducibly complex molecular machines. The flagellum is a rotary engine that drives a micromolecular propeller assembly that bacteria use to move toward food or a friendly environment. Flagella come in many forms, but they all work similarly, like a rotary engine that people build, like the ones you see in certain boats and automobile engines. The flagellum has several components that are standard to engineering in general, such as a rotor, stator, driving shaft, U-joint, and propeller. According to a molecular scientist who published an article in Cell magazine, the flagellum resembles a machine designed by a human more than other motors. Scott Minnick, a microbiologist, conducted genetic knockout tests that demonstrated the flagellum will not assemble or operate correctly in the absence of any one of its around 35 genes. Here, it's all or nothing. Mutations can't build a functioning flagellum incrementally, and the chances are too high that they will come together simultaneously. Could you please address the concern that molecular machines may acquire new features by repurposing older ones? If you want to know why this theory is flawed and why molecular machines suggest design, go beyond discovering intelligent design. Highly defined complexity, or unexpected combinations of elements required to accomplish a given purpose, is a hallmark of irreducibly complex structures, indicating design. Opponents of ID argue that it is possible to construct such structures by repurposing components from other cell functions. Co-opt means to take something and use it for non-essential use. It is a very hypothetical process in evolutionary biology, whereby random and undirected processes lead to the borrowing and reusing of biological components. Of course, plenty of more pieces of evidence lend credence to ID. However, 5 would make an excellent little blog article to share with friends. However, co-option will not fix all of the issues. To start, you won't find every component somewhere. Many stand out. The vast majority of flagellar components are unique to flagella. Secondly, it is not always straightforward to swap out machine components. There are wheels on both bikes and grocery carts, but you couldn't just take one and put it on a motorbike. This is a significant issue on a molecular scale, as even little alterations might inhibit protein-protein interactions. Leave a like and subscribe if you can. You may find me in the comments.